and welcome to Recipe Specialty. Thank you for taking the time to check out my fledgling channel. My name is Joe. This is a new YouTube channel that I started back in 2020, but I'm finally ready to publish what I've been working on for the past 4 or 5 years. I worked at Red Lion under Chef Hank, steakhouse and Italian local staple that wound up selling out and becoming a chain pharmacy. While working there in high school, I picked up tidbits here and there in the kitchen, as everyone tends to do as they work their way up from dishwashing to bussing tables to waitering to occasionally helping out chopping vegetables or peeling potatoes. I learned how to make penny and pink, which is a delicious blush sauce similar to vodka sauce. More importantly, I learned that fresh quality ingredients make all the world of difference. I also fell in love with prime rib there. In college, I worked at a place called Smithville Inn. Again, picking up more and more. Here I learned how to properly flip an omelet, make the house turkey pot pie, and I had a short fling with a pastry chef where I picked up a thing or two. That was the end of my time working in the food industry, but my passion for cooking was ignited. Addicted to cooking videos, I soaked in any and everything I could, taking notes and compiling recipes, trying them out and tweaking them to my liking, and what ingredients I had on hand that I could substitute. Then I got married, and my wife and I found out we were going to have a son. My wife doesn't particularly enjoy cooking and works many more hours than I do, so I became chef of the household. Knowing I was going to need to learn how to feed a new family, I got to work. I took Thomas Keller's masterclass, took a couple other masterclasses, watched every single video by Jacques Pepin start to finish, Julia Child, Emerald, Cook's Country, etc. I could name all of them. I treated this not as a way to kill time, but as my own private learning experience. Then the quote COVID quarantine hit, and out of boredom and a way to document my progress, I started taking photos and videos of my cooking progression. Most of these were filmed in 2020, 2021. Then I took a break from filming so I could learn video editing, how the YouTube algorithm works, along with search engine optimization, a lot of the back-end aspects of creating YouTube channels. I currently have 130 videos that I'm going to release in quick batches a couple times a week. Then I'm going to get back to what I really enjoy, cooking, and filming more content while I'm at it. It's harder editing than it seems and takes 3 times as long as filming, but I'm enjoying the process. I'm also enjoying improving the quality of the videos too, so please bear with me because I'm learning as I go. I don't presume to be a professional chef, but what did Chef Gusteau teach us in Ratatouille? Anyone can cook? I definitely agree. I just want to share what I learned through my own educational cooking experience. So, with that said, welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional.
If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!